Right, I need to tell you about the dense fog layer, which includes the smog as well, over the skies of Delhi NCR, has led to delayed flight operations in Delhi. Flights have been delayed by over 30 minutes to 1 hour in the national capital, both departure, specifically departures of course, and the landing of the flights as well. Visibility has reduced to about 100 meters at the Delhi airport. Indigo Airlines has issued a travel advisory to the passengers, and that, I just quote here from the statement, that passengers are recommended to allow extra travel time, check the flight status before they start their journey. The fog is currently affecting visibility in Delhi, which is with regard to slow-moving traffic, delays in flight schedules, and therefore to the passenger, we request them and advise them to check the flight status before they start their journey and also allow extra travel time. India Today's Anmol Bali joining me for the latest on that. Anmol, clearly when each one of us headed to work this morning, we could see around us winter fog, of course, which has smog as well and the pollutants. But what is the foggy layer? Tell us more about it. Did you also think it was difficult to drive around, and what are the flight schedules affected like?
Pooja, as you know, due to the pollution, the situation in the national capital is worsening day by day, and AQI has now touched 500 mark. Currently, I am here at the Kartavya Path, and as you can see behind me, I'm just few steps or few kilometers away from the India Gate, and you can see the India Gate is not visible due to this thick layer of smoke which has engulfed the national capital as well as adjoining cities, and various other neighboring states like Haryana is also witnessing the same. And I'll also show you the other side. You can see just few steps or few kilometers away is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Even Rashtrapati Bhavan is not visible. And if I talk about the current situation in the national capital of the AQI, like ITO is currently reporting around 462 AQI, Lodhi Road is reporting around 472 AQI, and the situation is more worse and deteriorating at Jahangir Puri, where AQI has touched 700 mark, and it's around more than 700, and the situation will be deteriorating in coming days. And as you have asked about the visibility, which is around 100 to 150 meters, which has directly impacted the transportation as well as road, air and the rail. At the airport, various airlines have advised their passengers to check the schedule and then depart for the airport. But the current visuals, you can see this Kartavya Path, which usually see the walkers, joggers in the morning, is now looking deserted. Pooja.
All right, so those who are heading out, or specifically if they have a journey to take, to just consider the travel time. Remember, a lot of it is also fog. It's the arrival of the winter season. But sadly, for those who've seen better days in Delhi, this is also coming with pollutants and smog, making air quality extremely harmful for each one of us.